Hey, we're the Eastwoods and welcome to Eastward Bound. This is Tristan, I'm Chelsea, and here are our three boys, Lucas, Noah, and Finn. Subscribe and follow us as we build our motorhome and explore Australia. Thanks.
I'm tackling the windscreen today and also painting the roof rack black. I've painted the rails black and now for the roof rack that's going to get primed and painted. But while in between that, I'm going to be removing this windscreen. My mate Nico from Nova 4x4 is coming down to help. He'll be here shortly to just to give me an extra pair of hands to pull out the windscreen. Haven't done one before, so we'll give it a go. I've got some suction cups here. I'll cut out all the rust, cut it all out, weld up any holes, repair it, prime it, paint it, and put the windscreen back in.
Easy.
Rubber.
Yeah. You can see it is leaking from the top. As I was doing that rubber down, there's water coming out from here, so it's running down the side and running down here. But it's weird that it's down in the middle. But man, if you want to do it, I mean,
I'm reluctant. We cleaned the rust treated it, filled the holes, put the mastic in, now we're going to put it back in. Yeah? So, bottom first. Okay. We don't need to put anything up on there, on your mastic.
I'll put quite a bit in here.
So that should squeeze into it all. Yeah, so
I can put more, but it's going to use out the top. You can look at a pin at the minute.
Yeah. So what, you like a feed across?
No, like I put quite a bit there. I've gone over a few times. You can put more if you want.
What Nico's doing?
Yeah.
Around the field, he does his work on defence, he's good for stability in the scrum.
Well, I lifted it up, I think.
And there we see what else he has to offer, which is in over the ball. Was strong because I didn't think he was in a great position, but he still managed to maintain his feet, get his hands on the ball, and they couldn't clean it out at all.
Penalties against the All Blacks, 4 against the Springboks. Just over half an hour's play here. Throws, gets it in, drags it in. As Kelly away to feeds it off to Kitzel.
There we go.
Dun, dun, dun. I didn't know you can zoom in. That's cool. Sometimes right then. Look, so close. Okay, I can hear you now. I can hear you then.
Dad, I stepped on a sticky black rock. Is that bad or anything? But it looks like paint because there's black stuff on my feet now.
Okay, here's the tricky bit. Sorry, I backed up very quickly. Almost there. Okay. So now, Noah, you want to stand right here, if you don't mind, and hold that string like that. You're going to hold it and put it there. Lightly. Okay. You're just going to try back to this corner, just. Ready? Hey, look, I'll just open this window here. Can you just give your dad that rope, please? If you don't mind.
if it was like, if it was like
Hey, Noah.
a mouse limbo.
Hi.
Can you use the ice cream brush?
Hurry up. Very quickly.
Dad, the black stuff isn't coming off.
Just quickly.
Yes!
Do I just stop videoing again?
Yes.
Dad, do I just come back up?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Come back up.
We. Holy.
Hold it. Right.
Let's, what do you call it?
Hey, Dad, should I stop videoing now?
Done with less flair than usual.
Should I stop videoing now? Okay.
So the windscreen's all done, just like that. Did not expect to get it done so quickly. I thought it would be a lot tougher. Although I think Nick had the tough job on the inside, I was just pushing the outside. But as you saw, yeah, the idea is pretty simple. Execution's quite hard and tricky. We didn't crack the glass. It's all clean, it's all sealed. Up the top there, we did put a little bit of extra mastic. I'll just show you the stuff that we used. It's inside. Okay, that's the product. So these butyl mastic. Yeah, it doesn't set, just goes, it gets a bit of a skin on it, but stays tacky, seals it. Really easy to clean with kerosene as well. Yeah, so picking goals here. Next we're going to put on the dashboard, the newly painted dashboard. Refit some of the globes with some little LED wedge type globes. Also spraying the roof rack still. I might put that up and wire in the light bar that I got that Nico gave us for the front of the bus there on top of the roof rack. I'm going to wire that in with the high beam and the spotlights that are already on the roof bar. Pretty stoked.